Thank you very much for clicking this video. Today we have Chota Bhai Bada Dhamaka, right? He is the youngest student of my institute, right? Of Speedy Speaker Institute. So today I want to ask him some questions. First of all, how are you?
I'm fine.
Really?
Yes, absolutely.
But your voice is very slow.
Absolutely.
Are you fine?
I'm fine.
Are you energetic?
I'm energetic.
Will you speak today?
Yes, I will speak today.
Okay, first of all, what do you want to say about you are learning English here, right? First of all, because what is your age?
My age is 12.
12, right? Because I have seen mostly those students are who are studying in government school, right? You are studying in government school and as well as you are speaking English. So first of all, could you tell me that when did you get this idea that I should learn English language? When did you get this idea that I should learn English language? Your father told you or this is your desire?
It's my desire. I want to learn English. I thought in my mind that when I will learn English, so in my village, Jhansi, there is Jhansi and there is one village, Chakin. So there is no any English speaker. When I will learn something, know something, so I will read their children.
So basically, like now he is this much capable that he can deliver speech also, and he can also communicate, and he can also debate, and he does so many debates. He has participated. So first of all, what is the best way to learn English language? For I'm asking to you, like, what is the best way?
Best way?
Way means tariqa. What is the best way to learn English
First
language?
of all, you have to believe in yourself and when you can learn English. And read something, prepare your speech, prepare yourself when you can learn English.
You can speak English, of course, right? And secondly, like, you know, in this time, many people, like in India, they say, right, Angrez to chale gaye, but ye Angrez aa gaya, right? So, like in your school, any child, they talk to you about that, no, Angrez aa gaye, right? So, anybody says just like this?
No.
Nobody says.
Nobody says.
So, in your school, your teacher knows about this?
I don't know because they don't tell me.
So, how many students are there in your class?
In my class, there's 14 students.
14 students.
Yes. There are some girls and some boys. 9 girls, 5 boys.
Okay, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English and any other subject?
Yes, Hindi.
English and
Hindi.
Hindi. So you are in right now in which class?
I read in 6th.
I studying.
I studying in 6th
Are you
class.
studying, right? Okay, that's nice. What do you want to say? Like a person like 10 years old child or 12 years old child, how he can learn English language?
कौन 10 साल
हाँ, 10
he
years
can
old.
learn if he will believe and he will think like he has to learn English in his mind only English and he will deliver a speech about any topic. He will choose anything and he will say something so he can learn.
Okay, that's nice. What is the best activity or which is your favorite activity over here you like most?
There is some activity that's very famous. That's game japla. One game.
Gaming activity.
Gaming activity,
Could you tell us
yes.
some activities name?
Game and लिखवाते हैं
Writing.
पीछे हाँ writing अब do
What about news reporting class, news anchoring?
that's good but in that class people came very so in front of I shame.
You shame. You don't speak, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what is? Could you tell me like only one activity, not playing activity, speaking activity. Which is your favorite activity? Speaking activity.
Speaking activity
Speaking activity.
because if you will speak something so you will know something that you are speaking with me you now you speak something away so I asked you something that what is the meaning of way so I know that meaning is way what is meaning of way.
Of course, right. So you are okay. Very nice. One more thing, like what is the most important thing? Listening is important or speaking is important?
I think that both is important.
Both are.
Both are important.
Both are important,
If you
right?
want to speak, to speak something. If you want to know something, so you have to listen.
Without listening, you cannot learn
Yes.
new things, right? Okay, of course, very nice. Okay, what is your best and good habit?
Good habit. That the good habit. I can't speak a lie.
You can't speak a lie.
Yes.
Like today, honestly, we spoken, right? You know, do you do like you are 12 years old, right?
Yeah.
What about your body, your health?
Arey, my health is not fine. I said to my father that I was मेरे पास कुछ था. I had some जिम के वो dumbbell. I have some dumbbell. That
If-
Praj came.
What is your interest? Will you do in future job or business?
I don't want to do. Only I will serve off district.
You serve district. How will you serve?
How will you serve? First of all, I will read very much, and I will do
Search.
search. I will search IAS job, and I will. That is why I
But
will.
this is not for searching. You have to go to Lucknow.
No, I have to guys. I will
Or
go to
you-
Lucknow.
you
I
can
will
go to Delhi.
interview that they are. If they will say you are fail, so I will try to.
So you want to become IAS officer?
Did you see one picture? That name is 12 failed. How he is hard worker, and he is very hard worker, and he learn in his life that what is hard working.
Only 3
He
hours.
tried to again. He tried to again and again that he has to become. He said in his mind
He thought.
that he has to become only IPL.